Cindy. So you have been how under this quarantine?
I've been good. I've been bored most of the time, but I've been fine.
But are you bored still?
No.
Kulika Cricket Oval.
Nobody.
I know. I've actually not had a chance to see you.
Oh my God.
Since I know. Congratulations.
After that, immediately the country was locked down.
I
so
know. How does it feel
really
for you to beat that oval, turn
really
it upside
good.
down?
Really, I still today, me and all my crew keep talking about like, oh my God, we did that. Like, oh my God, like we still can't believe it. But it feels
Was the message delivered?
for sure.
So now that you've said the bar, you're really high for yourself. What's the next venue for the next concert?
I know, right?
Tuddayo ku Cricket Oval. Oba tugenda nambo.
It has been blowing my mind. I've been thinking of doing something more intimate. Yes, like because that show was not like an intimate show, it was a party, let's celebrate. So I was thinking if we did something in a big ground but which is intimate.
How intimate?
How intimate, like Serena. It's a small venue, we control everything, the lights and the sound, and it's more intimate. I've been thinking about that, but still I don't know. No, I'm not going to Namboli. Don't look at me like that.
John Black.
No, don't look at Cindy.
John Black.
How are you in the party? Man, be in.
Wama John Black. A female artist in Cindy.
Yes, sir.
Nagalo Cricket Oval. What would you think?
So King herself. So okay. Nze nkuze mpulira Cindy Miski nga mugane kuganya kali akayimba mimina wewe tali ndende so binyumira nnyo so akikola abali kati kiri bano ya foundation yaffe like bino ebisenge byetwesigamyeko nga ffe abayimbi abato so akikola abatulaga ekyokukola. Now
that Cinderella Sonia did it, can John Black get the balls?
Can John Black did it?
Come on.
Yeah, just about but everything has its own time.
Don't you have
I just
balls?
need to work. Nga Cindy bwabadde akola nembeera focused ku music kubanga saagala kutwala abantu kubayita nga jasindiko mawulire njala nga oli wajja agamba nze John Black njaka nakayimba naye ayagala kali so ne music akyali mutono naye njalabeerako Cindy. Yes, music alina okwogera. Action is better than
words.
Oba kyekyo kituufu wamba kubisizza mbogo naye nga kyekyo era much respect to Cindy. I had to perform for her, but that very night I was going to Turkey. Ate nekiraba mbi ennyonyi yandeeka ate ngenda
tukusonyiye. John Black.
Kiwulikika kitya ng'oli ku nnyonyi kuba mwana
mwambuuza ennyonyi okuva ku nnyonyi yange yasooka ey'ejjuba era paka saazi
mugamba sooka fune passport alyoka abuze ebyennyonyi tawulira
soka ofuna akatabo oba nja kukuwa akange otekemu akafaananyi.
Cindy, another thing. Congratulations, you are now an engaged. You are someone's fiance.
Yes, I am. It feels good. It's nice.
Has life changed?
No.
You don't know she's engaged?
So you are cheating on me?
Officially. I'm officially cheating on you. I told you those things, those chicks.
It is okay.
How is life like as someone's fiance?
I feel special. Nothing's different because we've been dating for years. I just didn't tell you, you know? I didn't tell people about it, but we've been dating for years. But it feels special that he decided to take it to the next level.
I know.
Yes, this is definitely third time I've been engaged, but I still feel special because I feel like
because it's a different person.
He took his time. It's not like before. It felt like there was that excitement, you know. But now I feel like he took his
This
time.
is my hand. Luzungu leruntawanya oba obadde engaged emirundi esatu muntu y'omu lindamu nina kyembuuza ono anaatuukiriza oba n'agenda fuumuka nga bali
wakakuwasa emirundi emeka.
I'm very sure Cindy has seen, I mean, this is the king herself. Abasajja bangi bagamba nze nandyagadde nkwate Cindy muteeke wakabeere mukyala wange. What makes this man very special that you actually said yes to his proposal?
For the first time, I let a man sink into my world. Like he came with me to shows, he traveled with me, yes. he met my team, like he got to understand my life. Because Olusi, somebody falls in love with the glamour which they see on TV. I gotta tell you with that's the Cindy that is already edited and everything, and she's done, she's on TV. They don't go through all the stress that we go through. He knows sometimes you're in the house and you're just fearing because you're like, when I show you know. He has seen all those moments, so he understands who he's in love with. That's why I feel like this is different. So before it wasn't that way. Mario used never to go with me at performances, you know.
Was it because he was a busy man?
Because he was busy, and but also I didn't let him. I was not interested in putting him through that. I felt like I'm stressing and I just want him to see the other Cindy who's home and rested and beautiful. You know, I didn't want him to see my stress. It's the same thing with Ken Moise as well. He didn't look at the other Cindy. Didn't get to see that. I never let that happen. This is the first time that I felt like, you know what, if I want this to be real, I'm going to let him sink into my world at Tegere. Yeah. And
a day in the life of Cindy, basically.
Exactly, yes.
Have you moved in yet?
I was there.
Cindy, omwami akinywamu. No, as in, anywa ku mwenge oba anywa ku kintu kyonna lw'ensonga bw'ogamba mbu abeyalinga gukikyoli kitegeeza ate okuba nga yonna kyakozesa okuba nga asobola okutoleratinga buli kimu gwe ky'ogamba mbu kyewakweka bali oba
nfuna siri muyaye nnyo nti omuntu yeetaaga okuba nga mutamivu okubeera nange. I'm easy to be with.
For me, Cindy, you come off as an alpha female.
Thank you. Thank you. It is. I think it's because I've grown up that way. Like,
but then, you see, alpha females, they say even when they find a man and they need to settle, they want to be the man in the relationship.
They still lead. I struggle with that every day. I struggle with that every single day of my life. I think first of all because Sakura na tate waka. So sama nyida kugondera msajja from the very beginning. Sida bankombo tuina tata awaludewe waka. No. Zindabye men, you know, outside and stuff and sindabe, but I've never actually, you know, obeyane tata omanyira nti n'abasajja, they have a certain respect that you give them. Yeah. But me, my dad died when I was 2. So since then, Mama has never really, you know, she loved him so much. She never really replaced him. Kati, I struggle. I struggle to give the man the respect he needs. I struggle with that every day. So.
Don't you think that's going to be a problem in the long run? Like there has to be someone who is in the lead. There has to be one man in the house.
The thing is, what I learned is that in a certain ego, you need to get a man who has a bigger ego. Yeah. Then somehow you feel like you need to respect him.
Yes.
You know. Yes, because you know, if you're a gorilla, you need a silverback. You know? That's true. If you just go ahead and date an antelope, you know, naturally you're not going to
self-esteem. You want to sing.
You know, because you're a powerful woman, so you know. Yes.
John Black, can you love Cindy? Neze mpakaze zaina.
I know asobola nsonga empaka ziveri.
Zile mputi yaule mputi n'empaka.
Mputi ye mama w'empaka.
I saw that video of the beautiful proposal when he went down on one knee and asked you to officially be his woman.
Did
you have it in mind that he was going to propose this soon? Did you see it coming?
No, that's why you see.
Did he look like he was too serious?
Not at all. Like
really?
And also because the whole of December I was so busy and he was with me most of the time. So now when the year started, I thought, you know, now we're just chilling. You know. And then I announced the concert. Now we're busy. So I didn't think he'd come up with an idea like that at all. So even that I was so hesitant to go out. But he said, you know, let's go. We're going to meet some friends and all this and network. And at that time I was trying to network, you know. And so we went out and I saw an artist singing. I'm like, I even looked at him. I'm like, Kaya, you know, like, who is this singing? And it sounds really amazing. And then suddenly he gets up and then it goes over one knee, and I didn't expect it. It was so beautiful.
Why do you make us uncomfortable?
Do we see a Mikolo in the near future, a wedding?
I hope so. Yeah, I'm just like any other woman. Ntishi.
Ebifana nyo tu update. Nitula kubigere. you don't update us.
No, I think I'm more mature because I've been in love before. It's I don't know. I think maybe it comes
personal
with
choices as well.
Yes, exactly, and also personal choices.
No,
Even when I was with Mario 10 years, how many times did you know?
Yeah, I know.
I didn't. It's just not me.
Oh,
So-
yeah, tutwala
The
supiri.
king herself you see on stage wearing all these sexy outfits. She's a
Yes.
sexy woman without a doubt. What if you get married to this man, you become his wife, and he wants you to be, you know, like they're saying, a little more decent and do not show off the body like you do on stage. Ayagala Cindy abere mukyala owewaka. What is going to happen?
We've had that conversation before, and I think he understands that he's kind of in love with two women. The Cindy on stage
And
is
the alter
independent.
ego.
You cannot marry the king herself. That can happen. The person you're going to marry is Cinderella Sanyo, and she will be, you know, when she's that with you. When I'm on stage, I'm not your wife. You know, I am a performer, and I'm trying to make some
working.
money, and I'm working. That's it.
Sanyu bwe baali bakutuuma erinnya lyeru maama yagamba ng'osekesekenga nnyo kuba mwami yagala nnyo okuyisisasisa.
Neda. I think
Yavayo nga smiling.
I was a happy child, but the other thing, my mother, Yangamba, you have such a beautiful smile.
But you do.
Smile more. So
Kituufu
I don't know.
ndikusaidia mama kati olabika you have even such a beautiful
John Black.
Smile.
Yeah.
Abantu abamu balowooza nti industry and the music industry is a little bit more kind, I would say, on the women, abayimbi abakyala. Abayimbi abasajja mbu mutoba nnyo okusinga bo abakyala nti omukyala asobola okuba nga muyimbi naye nga alabika bulungi ng'ekyo kimuyisaawo. Olowooza nti bwekityo bwe kiri nti mwe abasajja mukola nnyo okusinga abakyala?
Ffenna tukola nnyo kubanga waliwo struggle zetuyitamu nga ffe abasajja era abakyala bana struggle ze bayitamu. Kasi kimbeera kiza okusanga producer nti mukazi nti oba prem agamba nti tubire engoma ogenda kusooka kumukako kubanga gye bali sinakisanga naye kale bano abayimbi abakyala ebizibu bye bayitamu sina bayimbi bokka bati omukyala ne wakusekera gwe Nimrod ogenda kitwala mugendo kansekedde nga
oluyimba londo kubirawo nga mulungi
like ogw'emmotoka ekyo kyokka kikyusa omusajja obwongo. So abayimbi abakazi bayita mu bizibu bingi. Yes, kubanga abasinga tebabyogera but babiyitamu bingi nnyo mu industry: promoter, producer, video director, DJ. Okitegeera buli omu bayagala.
Imagine. The charges about Gamba is that both of us face problems, but they're different.
They are different.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you think Cindy wobeera nga oli mukyala olabika bulungi oyambala bulungi, you have a gorgeous body, nti ekyo kyokka kisobola okuyisaawo mu music industry nga tosobola kuyimba?
Obsessions would have been the biggest group nakati balibadde bakyali bakazi.
Me, I kind of agree.
Really good.
Because kati full figure wandeetera oluyimba tuzanya ntya so mala duwuliriza nga sinaba